if you really, really want to change things in your life, you can change them. You can stop habits. You can start habits. You can actually, in the power of your brain, change things in your physical body. Pain relief, hair regrowth. You can even change your spine from having curvatures. You can even change allergies, anaphylactic allergies. It is incredible and it is documented, yet we don't have a standardized process. There is no way for person after person after person to go through the conveyor belt. There's not a magic pill, yet your brain is making hormones not even yet able to be concocted in a pharmacy or a lab. And so I really implore you to not feel stigmatized about hypnosis and not fall under that misconception that hypnosis is something done to you. Hypnosis is something that you are doing to yourself, or I should rather say your mind is doing it with itself all of the time. And the stage hypnosis antics are fun and dramatic and real. Nobody stays barking like a dog. But if you want real change that lasts, fast, maybe even sometimes it's instant, this change, because of course to the subconscious, perception and ideas and beliefs can change instantly, so much through the power of suggestion, expectation, and belief. So come to one of these workshops that I do every single Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern to see for yourself, to interact and let me know your goals so that I can help you. You can work with a modern day hypnosis ambassador like me, or you can see how to do this for yourself and you can get things, this online toolkit for all of the things of the hypnosis equations so that this already functioning hypnosis story that you're in can change for the better. Thanks. Enjoy.